Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And because cryptos are open 24/7, this chart will continue to form and take shape over the entire weekend. So by using the 4-hour, it allows me to talk more so about the longer-term levels and bigger picture areas. So that way, if you're watching this on Saturday or Sunday, or just whenever, sure, the chart may look different, but at least by mapping out some of these broader term levels, you can kind of see where the chart sits relative to these areas. And not to state the obvious or anything like that, but yeah, the bears right now are making quite the move here. You can see things collapsed quite a bit, although right now, to give some credit where credit's due, the bulls are trying to level things out. The price has been going sideways, so that's kind of the big question right now is this some sort of bottoming action here, and is this some sort of just kind of line in the sand where the bulls have said, all right, you push the price down long enough, we're now going to, form some sort of bottom. That still remains to be seen. But in the event this is some sort of bottom and the price does start to bounce, like I said, just focusing on key overall levels as things unfold the entire weekend. In the event the price does start to bounce, that overall key level of resistance that the price is going to need to fight back up above is that pink line right there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. So keep an eye on that. And like I said, if you come back and this is on Sunday, let's say, and the price is up above that pink line, well then, hey, that would imply that the bulls are having a very nice weekend. But that is definitely that initial level of resistance. If something really crazy happens and then the price breaks up there, gets through that pink line, the next key level of resistance would be the purple line up there, which is the 50 period simple moving average. Now, what about levels of support? In the event this continues to pull back, where are some next potential stabilization points? The first one is pretty straightforward. It's just simply where the bleeding has stopped, as of right now. And you can see on 2 separate occasions, I don't know what that value is. What is that, 65? Yeah, basically 65 cents. You can see both there and there. The bulls did do a good job of holding. But in the event that level cannot hold, the next key overall area of support, so let's get another green line here, is going to be down here around, what is that, 61 cents. So 65 and 61, definitely those 2 key areas. If 61 can hold, I'm not saying things are collapsing, but it wouldn't be that shocking at all to actually see it go down to 55 cents. But as it stands right now, like I said, the price is at least going sideways, so I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves, as it's not like the price is threatening, crashing down through any of those areas or anything like that. But all in all, yeah, the bears are in control right now. The bulls are trying to level things out, so this weekend should be pretty interesting. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.